Here is Bentley Grass Moor, and we've had reports of a cockapoo stalking the land and terrorising the local natives, and we're here to try and find it this evening and see if we can bring it in. That's what we're going to try and do. But it's a... Jesus Christ! It's... Quick! Get away from it! It's chasing! Fuck! Fucking... I'm scared to shit now! Fuck! It's in front of me now! Holy shit! Fuck! Somebody call 911! Christ! Look at the fucking eyes on that! Holy shit! I'm going again! Fuck! It's following me and I can't get rid of it! Quick! I'm scared for my life. It's like a fucking Blair Witch Project here.